Of course, when one good product comes out, an excited public starts to wait for the continuation. This is where the fantasies of what could it be. For example, if you ask the naive owner of the first SE what he expects from the second generation, you can easily list 3 typical wishes. 1. The case is the same size as the regular iPhone SE. Again, it's amazing how much Apple fans like the design in the iPhone 5 style. That smartphone was presented back in September 2012. Its appearance should have been annoying for a long time, but for some reason this doesn't happen. The metal brick is still trend. It will probably become a classic for Apple. 2. The price of $400, or about 25,000 rubles. Here it is much more fun. The owners of SE probably completely forgot that their smartphones were sold for 28,000–35,000 rubles for about a year, depending on memory, and only then their price drastically crawled down. It's time to recognize and accept, Apple will not release a device that will cost us less than 35,000 rubles at the start. Sorry, but with such a dollar rate it is simply impossible. 3. The frameless screen in the style of iPhone X. Beautiful, but completely hopeless dream of gullible characters who have seen enough cute concepts. In the pictures, everything is really perfect. The screen is organically stretched across the entire front panel of the iPhone SE2, only the space for the Face ID remains on top. Accordingly, the diagonal increases, from 4 to 4.2 to 4.3 inches, but using the phone is as pleasant as the first SE. In theory, it sounds great, but in practice we never wait for this. Yes, it's time to be disappointed. It seems that the iPhone SE2 never debuts. Or it will appear, but definitely not this year and not in the form that is expected from Apple.